Hi, my name is Matthias Remloffer. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Healactively. Back pain affects one employee out of two, costing companies billions in absenteeism and healthcare costs. This is a gap in most well-being programs. Healactively is the world's most personalized back wellness coach, powered by Science plus AI. We deliver sustainable back relief that adapts to individual needs anywhere, anytime, in less than 10 minutes a day. Our mission is to empower company and individual to unlock healthier, more productive lives. Join us to make back pain a thing of the past.